How have the creases been on your fold? I have mine, and it's getting horrible crease marks, and the screen protector they say not to remove is starting to tear and crease.
Funny you asked. Luke, what do you see at the top of my screen?
Ah, it's starting to bubble out.
Yep, this just happened. You can actually probably see it from there. Yep, it just started to separate in the last maybe couple of weeks. So it made it a long time. I didn't even think the screen protector was removable, to be honest with you. I thought it was a permanent part of the display, but it appears to be not, because you can kind of see it coming away at the bottom here too.
Mm-hmm.
That's pretty rough. Should I try and peel it off all the way?
No.
Are you able to do that?
I remember hearing very early on in this device's life that people didn't realize that it was actually like a part of the screen, and they peeled it off and it broke things.
I thought that was the second gen one.
Maybe. I don't know.
Actually, can't remember. Twitch chat obviously is like, yes, now. Yeah, I think I'll wait for someone a little more level-headed to pitch in here. Do we have the new thing? The polling system?
No.
Oh, all right. Well, never mind. People are like, yeah, float plane's like, no, do not.
Web version's done,
There
but
you
we
go.
need
Stop. No, it's not removable. Don't. Well, that
to
sucks
release the
then,
mobile
because it's going to get to the point of not being very pleasant to use. Like, this is clearly visible.
Oh, that's terrible, actually.
Yeah, like it's off. Okay, that one's kind of hard to see from there, but
You have like the worst bump.
yeah, I can. It's it's like having an awful notch.
Yeah, or notch. There we go. Yeah.
If you do it on stream, all right, forget it.
I mean that for sure on that one.
Oh. Matthew B says, I took the protector off my Fold 3 due to the same issue. It's basically just a normal protector. Just take it off slow. It's nothing inbuilt that ruins the display. Should I go for it?
YOLO.
Do it.
We'll do it live.
Yeet.
Okay, we ready? I guess...
Do you need a tool? Do you need something to help?
Are
you just going to go at it?
I think I'm just going to go at it. I mean, there's enough of a gap there. I feel like I can just get a fingernail in it, you know? Whoa. Wait a second. Did you hear that sound when I opened it?
I didn't.
Did you hear that? Like, there, that sound? The whole thing came off.
Whoa.
Look at that. There's a whole line that is separated down the middle. That just happened. So it's like sticking.
Oh, wow.
And
that's
unsticking.
super audible when you put it up to the mic.
Yeah, maybe it wasn't so much that I heard it as that I felt it when I did it. So, here, hold on. I'll turn so you guys can see. If it busts it, then you'll be the first to know. Okay. Oh, okay.
Oh, that's no problem.
That appears to be just a screen protector. I'm kind of impressed it lasted this long then.
Yeah.
Well, where do I get a new one now? Like, does Samsung make this screen protector available? Because it's pretty good. It actually feels very glass-like. Honestly, I think I kind of like the feel of the screen protector better than the screen itself. Here, try out both.
Yeah. It feels like smoother almost.
Yeah.
I don't know why. Maybe there's some adhesive on the screen or something?
No, I don't think so. It's a very plasticky screen because it's not glass, right?
Yeah. Makes sense.
Interesting. All right. Oh, hey, it looks nice and clean now, so that's cool. Bring up some content here. Oh, got some Bob's Burgers, you know? I haven't seen the movie yet. I'm going to go see it.
There's a movie?
Yeah, there's a Bob's Burgers movie.
I did not know.
Yeah, Bob's Burgers having like a moment right now.
Thanks for watching, and thanks to XSplit for sponsoring this week's clips. XSplit is perfect for content creators or businesses, and you can save 10% off with code Linus using the link in the video description.